பார் முழுசா
clips,
கியா மாறி இருக்கிறவன்
episode,
பார்.
And
At this point, I don't know because honestly, the kind of crowd that we have, globally speaking, any song can become a hit song at this point, and
Yeah,
it can have
you
no meaning.
never
It can
know.
have like from a perspective of language, it's screwed even if it doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
Even if it's a bunch of gibberish,
people are
it
ready
can
to
become
dance the
great.
hook steps.
I mean, they feel
for
the
that
vibe.
music. Yeah.
That's what mostly aiming for. So
We had Dinchak Puja make.
see, I honestly don't know. She's been telling this for the past
Let's
what?
forward it.
No, like, you know, she became so famous overnight. She didn't even know, like, you know, like, I don't want to say anything anyways.
I don't know Dinchak Puja. What do I say?
You know the person. It's my life. It's the
Like a
reason
plot of sketches and all that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she did. These are artists who don't really know their music properly, but they did catchy stuff that really drew people to it.
Basically, they did a parody version of the song.
Yeah.
That's all.
Oh, that's from an entertaining point
That's
of view.
But she
it
became
works.
famous.
It works. And from an entertaining
But
point,
are they artists?
depends on their continuity in that thing. If they're not going to continue, if it's just going to be some act, maybe.
I don't know if Dinchak Puja is still there.
Yeah, I think like now it's long gone. It's
Why
like
do they call it Dinchak Puja? What is
She only
Dinchak?
named her.
herself, Dinchak.
So her name is Puja actually, or like
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
something
think,
else in
I think that. Yeah.
Dinchak?
No,
Like-
Dinchak I don't know.
I don't know about Dinchak. We don't know
Like
about Dinchak.
DINCHAK.
AK.
But she used to do the song very Dinchak like.
But this was a trend in this was a trend in 2018 or 2009.
Hey, I didn't know who
You
Dinchak
should
was.
definitely go check Dinchak Puja.
No. Go check
No,
out
no,
indie
no.
artist.
No, I was kind of curious because a lot of
They
people
were
have
very
told me, okay,
famous.
I haven't listened to anything like that.
I
I've
don't
never
know
come
for
across
all
also.
the wrong.
Just play one of
like-
her songs. Just randomly. Yeah, you're connected, right?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
randomly play out a song.
Oh my god.
Randomly, just play out a
The
song.
first time I'm going to listen to Dinchak Puja.
I want to see Rohan's first time.
So she was in no reality TV programs or anything. She just made these songs
I
and became.
I don't know history, but I just
One
knew
love.
she became famous. That's all.
Dinchak Puja is a very interesting name.
सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया सर पे मेरे सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया
She has a whole playlist for her songs.
You understood? Right? Don't listen.
I
You
was
go listen to
expecting
India.
something else.
Yeah.
You go listen to India artist.
Don't waste your time on all this.
I mean, if you like this, then you listen to it.
If you're feeling entertained,
But
please.
yeah, people
But-
listen to it for entertainment.
But if you want music, means please.
If you want music, you.
There are people who put their heart
we did
and soul.
few shout outs before this in the previous episodes. Go listen
check
to their
them out.
music. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I liked his expression.
This is very
Dinchak Puja, I will remember that name.
Yeah.
wow.
No,
So
I
I'm
don't
saying
think she can.
There are
fall under
artists
that
like that who become famous overnight.
Again, you don't know.
See, yeah, see. Over there, it's really from an entertaining point of view.
See, I
okay?
would call them content creators.
content creators
Yeah.
more than
not
artists.
Yeah. Correct.
You have to give props to her for the fact that she's doing content like that to make it funny.
Hello, sir. He is pointing at you only. Why don't you subscribe? There's something wrong with your brain. Do not become like a producer. Please subscribe.
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 Back to the show.